Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Physics Mathematics Hub. Today we are trying to solve second numerical question from 10th class physics textbook, unit 11, sound. Let's start. Here's the numerical question. A ship is anchored where the depth of water is 120 meters. An ultrasonic signal sent to the bottom of the lake returns on 0.16 second. What is the speed of sound in water? Let's break the statement. First, we have some key data. The depth of the lake is 120 meters. The total time for the signal to go down and back up is 0.16 seconds. Now remember, the ultrasonic signal travels down to the bottom and then back up to the ship, so it actually covers twice the depth of the lake. Therefore, the total distance covered by the signal is 2s, which is equal to 2 into 120 meter is equal to 240 meters. Our target is to calculate the speed of ultrasonic signal in water. To find out the speed of sound in water, we use the following formula. V is equal to 2s divided by t, where V is speed of sound in water, 2s is the distance covered by the signal, and t is the total time taken by the signal. Plugging the values in the above formula, we get V is equal to 240 divided by 0.16. Simplifying, we get speed of sound is equal to 1500 meters per second. In scientific notation, we can write this as 1.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 meters per second, or 1.5 kilometer per second. Therefore, speed of sound in water is 1500 meters per second. If you enjoyed the video, give thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting problems, like this and drop comment. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the world of physics with Physics Mathematics Hub. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.